Stepping into university is an exciting yet overwhelming experience. Leaving behind our homes, hometowns, and the comfort of familiar faces can be daunting. In 2023, as a first year undergraduate, I felt that uncertainty bubbling up too. Will I belong here? Will I be able to find my place? Then I found Isaac. As a delegate in Leeds CS 9.0, I was introduced to a world where challenges are embraced, growth is intentional, and experiences shape us. It constantly pushed me beyond my limits. But more than that, I've seen its impact on others. Witnessing people transform, gain confidence, and step into leadership in ways they never imagined. Isaac is not just for born leaders. It is a place where leadership is nurtured in anyone willing to grow.
Hi, I'm Lahini Dulsara, a second-year biomedical engineering undergraduate in University of Moratuwa and someone who's known to have a lively, vibrant, and a very driven personality.
Motivated by the energy and encouragement I received at Leeds CS 9.0, I applied for the position of PR team leader in OGV function. After that, I became the manager of the marketing and PR function, helping me to sharpen my team handling skills and getting a bigger exposure to the Isaac culture. My first organizing committee experience was as an OC member for partnership development for Global Village 2023, a role that gave me first-hand insight into how Isaac collaborates with corporate world. Through consistent effort and determination, I successfully secured my first ever partnership. With the experience and knowledge I gained from this event, I was able to take on a bigger challenge as the OCVP for Partnership Development in Overhaul 4.0. People management. An entirely new territory for me. Yet, I was elected as the LCVP People Management in Isaac University of Moratuwa, a challenge I was more than ready to take on. Members are the greatest asset of any organization, and leading this function meant taking on the responsibility of recruiting, managing, nurturing, and retaining them. The challenges were real, but with the unwavering support of my EB team, we upheld the positive and growth-driven culture of Isaac in Colombo South. Our efforts paid off as we continue the PM Legacy in Isaac in Colombo South, getting nominated for the People Award at the Asia Pacific Leaders Summit 2024 in Hong Kong. Isaac as an organization is often seen in different ways by the public. But at its core, I believe the true purpose of Isaac is leadership development. That is why my vision for MCVP talent management is deeply rooted in the idea that we should be shaping value-driven leaders.
Leadership isn't just for those who naturally step up. It's for anyone who's willing to learn, grow, and challenge themselves. My goal is to create a space where every member, regardless of their starting point, feels empowered to unlock their full potential.
However, in the pursuit of performance, we often overlook the importance of enjoying participation. I believe that true talent management is about finding the right balance between performance and individual growth. If we invest in our members, helping them see the impact they create, making them feel valued, and providing them with the right environment to thrive, performance will naturally follow.
This is my vision for talent management. Not just growing numbers, but growing people. Because when we invest in people, the impact goes far beyond Isaac. So here I am, applying for the Member Committee Vice President Talent Management in Isaac in Sri Lanka for the term 25-26, with the vision of growth at the core, impact in action.